Hey everyone, it is January 17th, Friday, January 17th, 6:33 p.m. My buddy Jeff and I were out winter camping this weekend, so I did my test run with Boss last weekend. He's in the back right now grabbing a beer. We're in the same spot, and footprint is still there. We are having quite the snowstorm right now. So my footprint's going to be filled in right away, so we're going to get everything laid down, and I'm just going to sit here, have a beer, and get ready to do the setup. So we'll see you when we finish up.
Oh, it's right. Oh, what was it here?
Nice.
Now this right there.
Yummy. Well, we're here. Jeff is just setting up inside. Snow's let up a bit, but I must have shaken my chair off a few times already. You can see the water beating on the top now that the heat's on. Yeah. Lots more room in here without Boss's cot.
I bet.
Yeah. Starting to bead into water there. That's good. Alright guys, we're gonna get our bed set up, and then I'll bring you back with us. Oh man. Uh-oh. Okay everyone, we're all set up here. I'll give you a little tour. There's a lot more room in here without Boss. So there's my bed, my backpack and my jacket, and then Jeff's bed, his stuff, the New Way stove, camp table, and you know, beer, food, boots. Pretty well it. Oh,
Sorry.
that's all right.
That worked out well.
It's so hot in here, we've got the vent open. Oh, it was definitely warm. So yeah, we're here, we're done. We're gonna relax, have a drink, have some food, and just chill out. It's super warm tonight. It's like -7 or -8. We're supposed to get 20 centimeters of snow, or close to 8 inches. And tomorrow is supposed to get cold and cold and colder. So it's supposed to start, tomorrow morning should be -18 Celsius, and then it's supposed to get to -27 or 25, something like that. So it's supposed to get colder as tomorrow goes on, which is cool. And yeah, so now it's break time.
I didn't read this thing right. 2 cups, 500 milliliters.
Oh yeah.
I gave it like 400 milliliters and it's still a soup pile.
Right on.
No, that's not right on.
Oh yeah. You gotta hydrate. Really good. Very bland, I love it.
Yeah, what is it?
Pasta Primavera. I'm gonna try a little seasoning for you. See what that does to it. Souvlaki seasoning, spicy pepper. Can't remember what else I put in there. Very neutral. I like it.
Who likes neutral?
I do.
Why?
Because I've eaten so many of these in my life now that all the ones I've had, even the lasagna, the spaghetti, the chili mac, they're so
Flavorful?
yeah, that sometimes I just want a rice and chicken or a pasta primavera, something basic, you know, non-acidic, basic, calm, you know, that kind of thing.
I hear you. No different than sometimes I like just eating rice.
Yeah, yeah.
A little soy sauce and that's it.
Yeah. Or like last weekend when I was out here, I had a bowl of porridge, like oatmeal, maple and brown sugar.
Oh, nice.
And it was good. Like, it was thick.
I don't know if I packed any oatmeal. I don't think I did.
I'd offer you some of my oatmeal, but it's like 9 years expired, and it tastes 9 years expired.
It's all good.
But it was good.
All my oatmeal's from the from the move strip. When was the last time you PC gamed? You used to PC game.
I've been trying. I'm just every day beat after the end of the day, or
What was the game you were on last?
EverQuest 2. I've been playing it
EverQuest,
for like 16 years.
Yeah.
It's the only game I've played. Well, not the only one, but it's the only one I stuck with. EverQuest 1 before that. Yep, I'm getting there.
Yeah.
What time is it?
11:25.
11:25 p.m. Nice. Well. Oh. Oh. It is coming down.
Yeah.
Our tracks are all covered. That's crazy. It's really snowing. Truck's covered already.
No.
What time is it? It's not 1, it's 12, right? Beating off the tent. Is it it's 12, right?
Hang on. I'm stuck in an app.
Oh. Wow, look at it. Coming off that tent. Just crazy.
12:01.
12:01.
Wow.
Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, chairs are covered. I really shouldn't have that bag out here. I'll put it in tomorrow and let it dry.
Yeah.
Tent bag. But the tent is going to be soaking wet anyway, so
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
going to have to hang it in the basement. But right on. This is good, man.
This will be a good test. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
On this tiny little shelf,
I
we've
know.
got an inch of snow.
Yeah. Whew. My sweater is wet already, just being out here for 2 minutes. Camera soaked. Sorry, I should check it up. No worries. Oh, man. Whew. Oh, look at the camera. Just soaked already.
Oh boy.
That's all good.
I'm definitely gonna need to get the sleeping tube out now.
Yeah. Yeah, I purposely didn't take mine out. Oh man, my lens is freaking covered. Is that any better? I don't know. Clean it with my toque here. I don't know if that's on the lens or if that's just on my screen. Oh, I think it's on the lens. Whew! That was something.
Alright, sleeping socks. And sleeping toque.
Like, we were out there for like 30 seconds, man. Like a minute. My sweater is soaked.
Jacket. Jacket.
What?
You gotta wear a jacket.
It's too much to put on and off. I'm gonna hang my sweater up there to dry. Hang it up on the line.
Oh, let's hear the weather.
Yeah.
Snow out there. That snowfall warning is in effect this evening. That means about 10 to 15 centimeters of snow could fall by morning. The temperature dropping to a low of -15. It is snowing heavily out there.
-15, not bad.
You can deal with that.
Alright guys, we're heading to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Morning everyone. It's 7, you said?
It is 7:15.
January 18th at 7. Let's see what kind of snow we got. Ice fishermen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they'll be ice fishing. I told you, at least they're early this time. Last time they waited till 8. Well, I guess we would have had holes to leech off of.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, who cares?
Can we pull a trout out, or what's this stocked as trout?
Trout, and they're tiny.
I don't like trout.
They're small.
Coffee? Brekkie?
Yep.
All will be right with the world?
Yep. Yepper. And then fast forward 24 hours and we're going home.
Yeah. Why does it seem wetter than normal here?
We're melting underneath.
And it's soaking through?
Yep.
Oh, it actually does that.
Oh yeah. So
Oh.
if you've got pressure points, it's gonna soak through.
I wonder if you could lay down a poly tarp And then this.
That's what I did. And no.
It still soaks through the poly tarp?
No, you can't
Oh,
stop.
it slides around?
The whole damn thing, yeah, just moves around.
Oh, so you do PVC tarp and then the canvas tarp on top?
Yeah.
And it skidded around on that?
Yeah. It was like the canvas tarp was stuck to the PVC tarp, but the whole thing was moving, so I was afraid of taking a step or shifting my weight and pulling the stove out of the stove jack.
Now, if you put 8 ice augers into the ground, then that'd be different.
Be different.
That'd work.
That would be what's stopping you from moving, and that's not enough for me to be comfortable.
Really?
Sure. Shift your weight one way, those little grommets aren't gonna hold up. The fact is, you're basically walking around on a floating piece of plastic or a slippery crazy carpet.
Indeed.
That's got some nails in the corners. They'll rip out pretty easy, and then you'd be in trouble. Oh, thanks, bud. Ow. Ice auger's going. Oh, it's a gas job even. Last time it was sweet. They were all electric.
Electric augers are still so expensive.
Are they?
Oh yeah, they're like $900.
Oh my god.
Like it's crazy.
I'm telling you, not have to deal with mixed gas and clogged carbs and needle and seats and diaphragms.
Everything.
Yeah.
That is an auger.
Yeah. Everything that is a pain in the...
Out of every tool I've ever had,
Yeah.
the auger's been the most
Frustrating?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's because ours were screwed right from factory.
Yeah.
Jiffy 3.0.
Yeah.
Hasn't worked right from day one. Well, I got that carb kit. I want to see if that fixes it.
Did you get that off Amazon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course you did.
Of course I did.
Do you buy anything anywhere else but Amazon?
I do. Cabela's.ca.
Good point. Yeah.
We did get some snow overnight, but we are getting more snow throughout the day. We're also getting a lot of wind, so that's going to turn into blowing snow. About 5 centimeters of snow expected today. Wind from the northwest gusting up to 70 kilometers an hour, so that will affect your visibility. Temperature falling to minus 16 this morning, then steady, a wind chill of minus 23. Then tomorrow, periods of light snow and a high of minus 16, a wind chill near minus 28. In Dauphin, you're at minus 18 right now, minus...
Oh, man. Oh, yeah.
They're not frozen solid.
Right on. Holy.
If you open them, they'll be frozen solid.
Yeah. Or give them a little tap, eh?
Oh. Is that all we need?
Nice. Yeah, that's definitely some snow. Holy. Right on.
How are you gonna have a video without a beaver?
What do you mean?
All your videos zoom in on a beaver.
Yeah, I guess, eh? That's true.
I'm gonna buy you a plastic beaver just so you chuck them out in the winter into the snow.
Yeah.
And zoom in on it.
That would be great.
I'll put it on a string and pull it.
Yeah, right on.
People are driving down here.
They did last time. Just one truck went down there. That's where Boss and I went for our walk. We went all the way to the road, all the way around both ponds. You see the guy with his ice shack out there?
Oh yeah.
Straight out that way. I just saw him.
Looks like he's sitting in a chair.
Oh,
No?
branch in the way. I don't know. No idea. There we go. Focus. Nice.
All the snow in the way making it difficult.
Yeah, and branches and stuff. But yeah, we went all the way around the ponds, and then There's a road that came back up this way, but we went behind even there to the logging site.
Yeah.
And then we came back this way. Well, we just went for a bit of a walk. We found some deadfall. So getting the truck warmed up here. We're gonna go cut it up and have a fire. Gives us something to do anyways. So yeah. That's a beautiful day. A lot of snow though. A lot of snow. The wind's supposed to pick up, so we want to get a fire going and kind of get that part of the day out of the way before it gets too windy. But we're just kind of chilling, doing whatever. It's pretty nice out here. And next weekend I come out with the wife and both dogs, so. Alright, let's go get some wood. Alright, we got 3 trees out of there. And we got enough wood to have a good fire. That wind's picking up, eh?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. Alright, let's go back to camp. I know just the place.
Ah, cheers. Cheers, bud.
This is the life.
Yep. We're gonna have a hell of a fire too. I don't care if it's a frickin' rage burner for an hour, but the amount of wood we have probably lasts quite a bit longer. But I don't want to be cheap. Nice big roaring fire.
I wonder if we'll need to push back the snow just a little bit further.
I don't think so.
Where are you thinking, right in that little spot there?
Right beside the tripod, kind of.
Yeah.
Ah. It's only 10.
17?
10:17. Oh my gosh. Feels like I've been up for 10 hours already. Nap time.
There you go, buddy. Look at those dinosaurs burn.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good time. Right on. Right behind this truck. That wind is sure picking up, eh?
Yeah. Now this will dry out the wood fast.
Is that all the remaining?
Oh god, no.
Okay, good. I was like, did I really put that much on? Hey everyone. Well, it's what, 5 o'clock? Just about 5 o'clock p.m. Saturday. I believe that's the what, 18th? I don't know. Yep. January 18. It's still blowing out here, but it's mostly just gusting, so the steady wind is fine. Just switched the propane tanks around, and we don't think we're gonna have another fire tonight, so got my truck warming up so I can back it up toward the tent. Might shoot off the 22s a little bit just to have some fun, but it's been pretty blowing all day. Like, surprisingly, we're pretty sheltered here, but look at, let me show you this way. It's blowing pretty good. almost a sideways wind. And surprisingly, this tent and the little bit of bush that's here gives us a bit of protection. We've drifted in all day. So this whole drift here has accumulated today. Our fire burnt down pretty good. We're losing light fast. Just some outer ends didn't burn, but the rest burnt right down. Well, that's pretty cool. Like I said, me and the wife we're coming out here this next weekend, so we'll probably have a fire as long as the dogs will let us come out here alone. I don't think either of our dogs will want to be sitting outside in this. But Jeff's out for a walk. Walked across 2 ponds by the looks of it. You can see how deep the snow is on the lake there. Probably halfway up to his knees. Oh man, that wind when it gusts is something fierce. But we just switched tanks, and what a difference. Like, it's been running for, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, and it's 3 times hotter in there than it was before, so I think his tank was getting a bit low. And that's good. That's what we want, right? We want to empty them as much as we can before we switch them out. And we need the heat at night. We don't really need all that much heat during the day, so worked out great. Truck started no problem. It's got 2 batteries in it again, so but we've got some extra wood left, so I guess I'm gonna back up to the tent over there and maybe make a little pile, and the wife and I can burn that during the day if it's nice. I don't know. It's pretty windy, but it's not bad behind the truck. I'd be up to having a fire actually right now. Just let that burn, kill some time, get some more fresh air, and then have a good sleep. But like I said, we're losing light, and I think he wanted to shoot off some guns, so we've got enough beer cans. We can set a few up and shoot them. All right, well, we've really done nothing today but eat, laze around, chat a bit, listen to the radio, eat. We've had coffees and teas and hot chocolates and cups of soup and boiling of bags. I've only got 2 meals left, 1 breakfast and 1 supper. So I might eat again at 7. I'm not sure. But it's been pretty good. It's been pretty nice. You know, it's really relaxing, so it's really nice. You know, all the work starts tomorrow, right? Pack up camp, pack everything up, fit it back in the truck, and then, you know, I gotta get home, and when I get home, you gotta unpack everything, lay it out on the line in the basement, or hang up my tarp in the garage, and it's a lot of work, but it's frickin' worth it. It's very worth it. Yeah. All right, well, he's almost back, so once he gets back, we're gonna decide what we're gonna do here. Boy, he'll be warm now. But we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do, and maybe shoot some guns off, maybe not, I don't know. So I'll let the truck keep warming up before I move it in case he does change his mind and want to have a fire. After that walk, he'll be pretty warm, so maybe he'll want to sit out here for a bit. But yeah, I'll check in with you again later tonight. But there's not a whole lot going on this weekend, not much exciting. Just kind of relaxing and winter camping, you know. Looks like we're gonna fire off some rounds here. Fire off some rounds at some cans. Hey? Oh yeah. Yes we do. Oh. There we go.
Oh, there's my other can. Did not see it at all.
Look at that top can.
Oh, my hands are freezing.
Yeah, that wind is frickin' cold, man. Well, that was fun. Are you gonna load more or are we done? I think I'm done.
Shooting more would be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But I think I did it. I'm good.
Yeah. Oh man, that's cold. Alright, we're gonna clean up our mess here.
They're done. Like, they don't care, right? In their head, they're like, oh, I'm losing a nut. I don't even care.
Alright everyone, we are done, packed up. Sunday morning, 9 o'clock or something like that. And
847.
8:47, and there's the footprint. There's our leftover wood. Alright, so that was good, good camp. A lot of wind, a lot of snow. It was pretty fun. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing it all over again next weekend with the wife and both dogs. So we'll see you then.